In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Roblox password without having an email address. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So once you've got to the Roblox main page, make sure you go ahead and go to login in the top right corner. And then once you've gone to login, go ahead and click on forgot password or username. And then once you've got to this page, go ahead and click on use phone number to reset password, because obviously you haven't got your email address. And then once you've selected that, go ahead and click on your region, whether you're in the United States, United Kingdom or whatever. I'm in the United Kingdom, so I'm going to click that. And then when I go ahead and put in my phone number, so once you've gone ahead and put in your phone number, go ahead and click submit. And then once you've submitted, you're going to need to pass a verification process. Go ahead and click on verify. And then go ahead and make sure these are all stood up straight. Do it as fast as you can so you can verify. And I don't think you're a robot. So once you've gone ahead and got all these stood up, go ahead and click on done. And then good, I've passed the verification process. And then once you've done that, it will send you a digit code to your mobile. So once you've received that digit code, go ahead and enter that digit code into the box below. So I've gone ahead and clicked on the box and entered the digits. Go ahead and click on verify. And then once you've done that, it will bring you to this page here, and you can go ahead and reset your password to whatever you want. There you go. So go ahead and reset your password, and then it should be all done for you. So if this video did help you in any way, shape or form, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe, share the video to anyone that needs this advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers guys.